So if you put that in your calculator, you should have gotten $3,088. So that's how much your $2,500 would be worth after 5 years. You can also use this formula to find out how much you should invest at the beginning so that the value of your money reaches a certain value after a certain amount of time. So for example, your aunt plans to invest money for your newborn child such that you'll have $50,000 for college on their 18th birthday. Determine how much she should invest now if the best annual rate she can get is 5.5 compounded annually. So basically, you know that the value of the money, you want that to be 50,000. So V is 50,000. And you don't know what P is. You don't know how much she should invest. That's what you're solving for. Times 1 plus the rate she's getting is 0.055. Compounded annually, that means that N is 1. To the power 1 times the time. The time is 18 because she's waiting 18 years. So we're solving for P, so we need to divide both sides by this number right here. So it's going to be P equals 50,000 divided by 1 plus 0.055 to the 18th. So you can put that in the calculator. You get that she should invest $19,073. So your principal P should be $19,073. Okay, so when the child is born, that's how much goes into account, and you don't touch it for 18 years, and you'll get 50,000 in 18, assuming you get a 5.5 interest rate, which nowadays you don't get that. Okay, so determine how much you should invest if the best annual interest rate is 4% compounded monthly. So basically, what is that? What is the only thing that is changing? The rate and N. So P is going to be, she still wants 50,000 divided by 1 plus the rate is 4%, so it'll be 0.04 now, divided by N is 12 because we're looking at monthly. To the power 12 times, she's still leaving it for 18 years. So if you plug that in your calculator, put 50,000 times 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12 to the power 12 times 18. Make sure you put 12 times 18 in parentheses if it's not an exponent like this in your calculator. So when you hit enter, yeah, I didn't do divided because that does not make any sense that you need to put 102,000 to get 50,000. So that's how I know this is wrong. So I put 50,000 divided. I forgot to divide. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna insert the division. And now I get 24,367. So P has to be $24,367. Well, does it make sense that it's more than? Well, yes, because it will be a lesser interest.